Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and a torque wrench. It's crucial to work on a cool engine to prevent burns and ensure proper component handling. For your safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before beginning any electrical or engine work. This simple step helps prevent accidental shorts or injuries. Next, you'll need to locate the spark plug wires or ignition coils, which are typically found on top of the engine. Gently disconnect and remove these components, making sure to keep track of their original positions for reinstallation. Using your spark plug socket and ratchet, carefully loosen each spark plug by turning it counterclockwise. Once loose, you can remove the old plugs from their ports, being careful not to drop anything into the engine. Before installing the new spark plugs, it's important to check and adjust their gap to the manufacturer's specification using a gapping tool. A small amount of anti-seize compound on the threads can prevent future seizing. Carefully thread each new spark plug into its port by hand to avoid cross-threading. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the recommended specification, ensuring a secure and proper fit. Once all the new spark plugs are installed, carefully reattach the ignition coils or spark plug wires, ensuring they click firmly into place. Double-check all connections to make sure everything is secure. Now, reconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Finally, start your vehicle's engine and listen for a smooth idle. Take it for a short test drive to confirm everything is working correctly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.